Well done for helping with the housework. Are you stronger or the cat? Oh, you help your owner.
Dziękuję.
Oh my God, you are a good volleyball player. No, don't kiss her. She is a dog. I think it's so delicious. Look at his funny face. Did you fall in love with cats? Oh, you enjoy
So
drawing.
pretty. My pretty boy. You went
Well
first.
done, son,
Lewis,
for
come here.
listening to your owner.
Hop, hop.
Oh my God, this kid lazy. Wow, you push well. Spin, spin. Well done. Do you brush your teeth, little parrot? To see more and next video, please subscribe to channel me.